Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain why your Android phone's Bluetooth isn't working. Bluetooth is one of the most used features on smartphones. It allows you to make and receive calls and listen to music without wired headphones. It also allows wireless file transfer between two Android devices. However, sometimes Bluetooth can have problems, such as your Android phone's Bluetooth not working. If your Android phone is experiencing this issue, don't worry, please watch this video patiently. It should help you fix Bluetooth not working on your Android phone. This video is applicable to phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. What causes Bluetooth to stop working? Have you seriously considered this question? Generally, the main reasons why Android phone Bluetooth stops working include software malfunctions, outdated operating systems, network settings problems, and corrupted cache files. These can all cause problems. If your Android phone's Bluetooth isn't working, please watch this video patiently. We've compiled several solutions on how to fix Bluetooth issues on Android phones. Please try these methods one by one. If one doesn't work the first time, you can try it several times. We've seen it work after multiple attempts. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is a hard reset. To solve the problem of Android phone Bluetooth not working, a hard reset is a very simple and effective method. This will close all applications and background processes, and your phone will restart to its optimal state. You need to press and hold the forced reset button combination on your phone. In the video, the forced reset button combination for Samsung phones is the power button and the volume down button. Please press and hold the forced reset button combination on your phone for 10 to 15 seconds. When the phone's brand logo appears on the screen, you can release the buttons, and your phone will automatically restart. After restarting the device, test Bluetooth again to see if it is working normally. If the problem persists, please skip to the next solution. Method 2 is to clear the Bluetooth cache. The Bluetooth cache is where Bluetooth information is stored. It helps Bluetooth function properly and provides a good user experience. Cached information can also be attacked or malfunction, causing Bluetooth to stop working. Therefore, clearing the Bluetooth cache can also fix an Android phone's Bluetooth not working issue. Clearing the Bluetooth cache will delete all temporary Bluetooth data stored in the phone's storage. So, you can try deleting the Bluetooth cache files. To clear the Bluetooth cache, open the Settings app, go to Application Management, and find and tap Application List. If you can't find the Bluetooth app, tap the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen and select Show System. This will display all system apps, including the Bluetooth app. Then, scroll down and find the Bluetooth app. Tap it and select Storage and Cache. In the Storage and Cache menu, you will find the option to clear the Bluetooth cache and storage. Method 3 is a software update. If your Android device is running an older version of the operating system, this might be the cause of the Bluetooth not working issue. Android system updates fix some issues that developers have discovered, and if that issue happens to affect Bluetooth functionality, a software update can resolve it. To perform a software update, open Settings, scroll down to find and select Software Update. Then check if there are any pending updates. If so, download and install the software update immediately. After the update is complete, test the Bluetooth function again to see if it has returned to normal. Method 4 is to enter safe mode. Third-party applications can also affect Bluetooth functionality, causing Bluetooth to be unusable on an Android phone. If a third-party application is causing the problem, safe mode is the best way to troubleshoot. Safe mode runs the Android phone without any third-party applications, allowing you to diagnose whether the problem is caused by an application. Please follow these steps to enter safe mode. Press and hold the power button until the power off screen appears. On the power off screen, tap and hold the power icon until the safe mode option appears. Once safe mode appears, tap it. Your phone will restart to return to the home screen in safe mode. Please wait patiently. Now, try using Bluetooth again to check if the Bluetooth connection problems on your Android phone are resolved. If Bluetooth works normally, the problem lies with the application. Now restart your phone to exit safe mode and delete all applications you believe are causing the Android phone Bluetooth not working. Method 5 is to delete all content. If you still can't find the problem, you have one more solution to fix Bluetooth not working on Android phone. Perform a factory reset. However, this method will erase all content on your phone, including data. If you have any important data, please back it up first. Next, go to your phone's settings, find and tap General Management, then find the Reset option, tap it, and then tap Factory Reset. Your Android phone will automatically restart. Please wait patiently. After the reset process is complete, your phone will restart, and all data will be erased. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your Android phone. After completion, check again to see if the Bluetooth doesn't work on Android phone problem is resolved. Method 6 is a hardware failure. The above solution should easily solve the problem, but if the Bluetooth is not working on Android phone issue persists, it may be a hardware problem with your phone. Since you are not a professional, you must take your phone to the brand's authorized service center for further inspection and troubleshooting. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful and thought we did a good job, please like and share it, and leave a comment telling us which method helped you solve the problem. Also, if you think there's anything we can improve, please leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. Thank you. See you in the next video. Good luck.